This is a spicy chicken sandwich from Food Lion. I haven't had the Popeyes chicken sandwich yet because every time I try to go, it's coming soon or coming back soon or will be back soon. So I don't know if it's just like a crazy marketing gimmick or what. But I'm gonna try this super simple looking spicy chicken sandwich from Food Lion, which is a grocery store. There's literally nothing on this. What the hell, Food Lion? Get it together. We're gonna add a little Sweet Baby Ray's, see if it helps. That was better. It's not great. Well, it's not great. And you gotta take a couple of things into account. One, it's a grocery store. I mean, normally Food Lion stuff is amazing. And by stuff, I mean, like, they have great products. But I don't know about their fresh, whatever you want to call it. It's also $2.99, which is probably cheaper than most reasonable. No, actually, now that I think about it, you could probably get a cheaper, better chicken sandwich at McDonald's for $1 or $2. God damn it, Food Lion. I was gonna say a 4 out of 10. Gotta go with a 3.5. 3.5.